the big cannabis companies are operating on the sunk cost fallacy right now, big time. When we and our colleagues have gone and met with some of these CEOs on these top level MSOs, and we tell them about seed and growing from seed and F1 seed, true to type seed, uniform seed. They go, well, if what you're telling me is true, then I just misappropriated, $50 million because they've put in these highly technological and expensive propagation facilities where they're pheno hunting seeds, making clones, keeping things tissue cultured to keep them disease free from the viroid, and just doing a clonal propagation using a bunch of their facility space to actually house the propagation and the maintenance of mother stock. So, the sunk cost fallacy is where you're making a financial decision because you've already invested heavily, but not because it's the best decision. That's what's going on right now in cannabis and the genetic space. Uh, it's a hard pill to swallow. I know, but the truth is, and if you examine every other annual crop in agriculture, is that seed-based production and outdoor field scale cropping, or uh, you know greenhouse production from seed is uh, is the way. And we've already proven that, and we have countless customers who have already started implementing our seeds in their greenhouses and in their fields and are enjoying lower costs of production and equal quality